So after a great walk from High Line, actually officially entering the place where Wessel Building is. Wessel Building is one of the things to do in New York. I'll pin down below what's the distance of High Line. That's here. So ये है Wessel Building. Looks amazing. This is the best freaking architecture. So इतना चलने के बाद मेरे को लगा थोड़ा सोया जाए, थोड़ा चिल किया जाए. While coming to New York, I checked out tickets for US Open, but मेरे को मिला नहीं क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा था और I had to commute long way and the kind of itinerary we had made, it was impossible.
As I stated earlier, this match has been absolutely fantastic.
So इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ पूछ भी नहीं सकता हूँ. The best screen in front of the best building in New York. दिख रहा है वो एम्पायर स्टेट बिल्डिंग है, उसके पास ही हमको अभी ब्रेक मतलब लंच करना है. और जो ऑब्जर्वेटरी हम लोग शाम में जाने वाले हैं वहाँ पे भी एम्पायर स्टेट बिल्डिंग दिखेगा हमको. थैंक यू सर, you've got a great ride.
Yeah, thank you.
कार्ड है क्या? तो अभी लोकल ट्रेन लेके 72 एवेन्यू स्ट्रीट जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि आई हैव टू गो टू सेंट्रल पार्क. माय स्टॉप इज नेक्स्ट स्टॉप. एकदम बैंगलोर वाला फील आ रहा है बिकॉज इट्स ऑल्सो अ मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी. चलो हमारा स्टॉप आ गया. The famous Ralph Lauren and this Ralph Lauren cafe also here. सेंट्रल पार्क बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है. अभी इसको मेरे को पूरा कवर करने में ना 24 घंटा लग जाएगा, इतना बड़ा है सेंट्रल पार्क. सो आई थॉट, वी ऑल कलेक्टिवली थॉट कि लेट्स कट इट डाउन टू वन स्पॉट. सो वी गोना गो टू दिस फाउंटेन. यो तो पहुंच गए हैं हमारे फाउंटेन के पास. At the Bethesda fountain right now. So Bethesda fountain के पास शाहरुख खान ने एक कल हो ना हो में एक आपने देखा, अगर मूवी एक और से देखा होगा तो यहाँ पे एक शॉट लिया हुआ है शाहरुख खान ने. come all the way and it's time to go to the edge. So have barely made it to the edge.
Okay. 550 all
Yeah.
the way around. You're here. You're gonna go first.
So guys, this is the entrance to the edge. So guys, I finally reached the edge. The name is well put though, gotta say. The edge. Feels like I'm on the edge of New York City. Crazy हो गया है आज. सुबह I went to High Line, उसके बाद सीधा I went to Central Park. It took a lot of energy to like explore Central Park, and we had to get here as fast as we could because our time slot was 5:50. We got here in time. This is not the showstopper yet. So this is the most hyped Empire State Building. So we're gonna be here in a while. But यहाँ पे ना मैं वॉशरूम में आया हूँ. वॉशरूम में भी साला व्यू है. Can you believe it? यहाँ पे जो क्राउड है ना, लोग पागल हो रहे हैं. I thought I'll make a proper video, but it's like a convention, dude. There are a hell lot of people out here, and the people who have come at a slot of 5 p.m. are still out here, and it's 7 p.m. right now. But it's excruciating and exciting at the same time. It's exhausting also. So ये लाइन जो है वो एज में पिक्चर लेने के लिए लाइन है. Yeah, we're in line.
Yeah, they're in line.
To wait for this line to go through and take a picture there. After a long wait in the line, I'm here. Let's go. Tired as heck. On my way to Times Square. After Times Square, I'm gonna crash on my bed like crazy. Yo, ASAP Rocky. We're out the Times Square right now. God damn. I've just come to Times Square and there is crazy exuberant energy here, and these guys are going mad as shit.
Show them no hands. That's no hands.
So crazy energy in Times Square. इतना ज़्यादा crazy energy मैंने वर्ल्ड में कहीं नहीं देखा है. आज तक तो नहीं देखा है. पता नहीं आगे देखूंगा या नहीं. Definitely देखूंगा. Times Square में ही देखूंगा शायद. All sort of things, all sort of street shows. This Broadway, this ads. तो टाइम स्क्वायर में मेरे को पता था कि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है. ऐसा ही कुछ हो रहा है. Bro, damn. Crazy energy, crazy people out here. I'm gonna have my dinner. So, hot dog खा रहा हूँ for the first time, and it is amazing. Shout out to Sabred. Yo. So this is the best hot dog, and hey man, hot dog is really good. Content पे content से याद आया मेरी बहन.
Yo, we are waiting for our chicken
Gyro.
gyro, and I am more than ready to eat.
That'll be all. You can say more.
That'll
I'm
be
not saying
all.
say no more.
I am.
She is actually exhausted.
In the air tonight, take over your mind, let it hypnotize. Feel it in your skin, slowly it begins, like a drug so high. In the air tonight, take over your mind, let it hypnotize. Feel it in your skin, slowly it begins, like a drug so high.
Tomorrow I've got some things to cover. Gotta go to Statue of Liberty, Brooklyn Bridge, Dumbo. So that's it for today's video. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know in my comment section how good this video was. Until next time, it's your boy ABD signing out from Times Square, New York.